Hello, today we will guide you through how to set reading order for accessibility in PowerPoint. In this walkthrough, we'll adjust the reading order of objects on a slide so screen readers can present the content in a logical sequence. This is an important accessibility step, especially when your slide contains multiple text boxes, images, or decorative elements. Even if the slide looks visually correct, the reading order may still need to be organized behind the scenes. To begin, open the PowerPoint app. Once PowerPoint is launched, go ahead and open your sample presentation. This will give you a slide to work with as you review and adjust the accessibility order of the content. With the presentation open, make sure you're on the Home tab in the ribbon. On the top right area, look for the Select drop-down menu and click it. This menu gives you access to tools for managing the objects that appear on your slide. It's especially useful when you want more control over layered items or need to identify content that may be harder to select directly on the slide. From that Select menu, choose Selection Pane. When the Selection Pane opens, you'll see a list of the items currently on the slide. This panel shows the slide elements in an order that PowerPoint uses to manage them, and it can also help you understand how assistive technologies may move through the content. Now locate the item named Sample in the Selection Pane. Click and drag it so it moves to the top of the list. Reordering items here helps define how content is interpreted and read. For accessibility, this matters because users of screen readers rely on a clear and meaningful sequence that matches the intended flow of information on the slide. As you move items, take a moment to think about the order in which someone should hear the content if they cannot see the slide. Usually that means placing the title, then the main body content, and then any supporting elements in a sensible progression. In this case, moving Sample to the top ensures it is prioritized appropriately based on your layout. Once the item is in the correct position, you've successfully updated the reading order for that slide. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how accessible and understandable your presentation is for all users. That's it for this guide on setting reading order for accessibility in PowerPoint.